ready to unlock a goldmine of real estate opportunities, hiding in plain sight before anyone else even knows they exist. Let's dive into Propstream, and I will show you exactly how to filter for pre-foreclosures, giving you a massive edge in the market first. Enter the market you want to research in the search bar and click on the targeted location. Now that we're in our chosen area, look for the Filter button, usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. Click it. The Filter menu pops up now. Navigate to Quick List Filters and select Pre-foreclosure. Next, scroll down to the Ownership Info section here. I recommend setting parameters for the years of ownership. A sweet spot is generally 5 years. This increases the probability of the owner having equity in the home. Now, go to the MLS Status filter and ensure you select Off Market. We are looking for opportunities that haven't been listed with an agent. This is where we find the hidden gems. For an additional filter, expand the Estimated Value section and set a maximum and minimum to narrow down the properties. Once you've applied all your filters, check the total number of properties that match your criteria. This number is displayed at the top of the filter menu. If you want to narrow down further, you can continue to adjust the filters. And there you have it. You're now equipped to find pre-foreclosure properties on Propstream. This allows you to reach out to homeowners early, potentially securing deals before they even hit the market. Happy investing!